Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain my mini project on customer segmentation using the K-means clustering algorithm. The goal of project is to grouping customers based on their annual income, spending the scores. Dataset explanation. Here I taken the datasets from the shopping mall. I have created a simple dataset within 10 to 1 to 10 customers. Each customer has 4 features. Customer ID is annual income, spending the score 1 to 100. For costing, I used only annual income and spending the score because these two features clear shown the customer behavior. Here I used the three libraries import pandas as PD, import matplotlib from sklearn. Here import pandas as PD used for creating the data frame and handling the data sets. Import matplotlib. Here matplotlib is used for plotting the graphs, elbow meta plot, visualization the scatter the plot. From sklearn is used for applying the k-means clustering algorithm used for calculate WCSS used to predict the cluster labels. Here, first I arrange the data sets using customer ID as annual income spending the score. Customer ID, I created the 1 to 10, between 1 to 10 as I taken the 19, 21, 20, 23, 60, etc. Annual income 15, 16, 17. Here you need to take or else 15,000 lakhs also we can take. Spending the scores, I taken the below 1 to 100. Here I take in 39, 81, 6, 77, 40, 76. First I created the data frame using the data. First I need to print the customer data. Here I used the future selection. I created the futures like this. Between the annual income spending the score. This creates a matrix only within two important columns. Here I shown the customer data. First I shown no the customer data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Next is here it is having in rows. I printed in the columns. First column ID, first column customer ID, second column is, third column annual income, fourth column spending the score. This creates a matrix only within the two important columns. Next, I used the elbow method. From using the import matplotlib, we can use the graphs next elbow method. Next, I use the elbow method to dedicate how many clusters are best. I rank the k-means from 1 to 10 clusters. Here I given the range between 1 to 11 and I calculated the within cluster sum of the squares marks. Here marks equal to O. Here title I given elbow method for optimal k and I given the X label number of clusters, Y label WCCS. Finally, the output is here Y axis means WCSS, X axis means number of clusters. Here highest is between 75,000 to 20,000, lowest is below 25,000. Finally, then I plotted the when we observe the curve bends this this bending point we call the elbow method. The point tells us the number of the clusters. Next, I apply the k-means cluster. After analyzing the elbow curve, I selected the three clusters. I applied the k-means like this. Plot scattered x values, y underscore k means 0, x values. Next, I selected the three colors red, blue, green. Finally, I used the centroids in the label. This algorithm assign the each customer to one of the cluster. Finally, I shown this the graph customer segmentation using k-means on y axis. I selected the spending the scores between 1 to 100 on x axis annual income. Applying the cluster result for the data frame, I added the cluster result back to the data sets so we can observe the cluster below to which group. Visualizing. Finally, I plotted the clusters. Each cluster has a three different colors. Cluster 1 red, cluster 2 blue, cluster 3 green. Finally, the centroids on yellow color. This graphs clearly shown customers can be grouped based on their income and spending. This graph is helpful to analyze the customer's ID, age, annual income, spending discourse. This is helpful in the shopping malls, like a small shops, big shopping malls nowadays are using. This kind of the customer segmentation helps to business understanding buying the patterns and making the better marketing decisions. These types of K-means clustering we use it in the stock marketing also. Finally, easy to analyze the which product is selling the high and which product is low. We can analyze the easily. So finally, I am telling K means customer segmentation using K means is a very easy to analyze the customer's ID, age, annual income, etc. Thank you for watching my presentation. If you have any doubts, I had be happy to answer for these questions.